Different individuals have diverse hairstyles, textures, colors, lengths, and types. However, regardless of various hair characteristics, most have at least one hair issue. Just like other parts of your body, your hair needs care and attention at all times. Restolin Hair Supplement is a new hair fortifying supplement that addresses environmental, hormonal, and hereditary issues that affect the health of your hair. Restolin will accelerate the growth of voluminous and lengthy hair. The vitamins in Restolin capsules nourish the hair cells, leading to longer and fuller hair growth. Restolin prevents premature hair loss and balding. Restolin contains the necessary ingredients to prevent loss of hair due to age or stress. Restolin also helps your hair to become shinier and more beautiful. Get it now. Official link given in the description.